Ed found this tiara.
Just for you, honey.
Thank you.
Actually. What's up, guys? Today it's a Thursday, sunny out, in the 50s right now. Water's getting cooler. Christy B and I are doing this Wolf River tubing trip, the 2-hour version. But we hear a lot of stories, get a lot of messages of people losing personal items on this trip. So
Cell phones, Apple Watches, who knows? Hopefully a wallet or two, jewelry. Within the first couple minutes of already being here, Ed found these glasses, a vape. I think we'll find a ton of those.
well, let's get in the water and go find something. This is beginning here, pretty shallow. Got a lot of rocks right down here. So we're gonna walk the first part of the way. The second vape.
Mommy's on that stupid trip. It's awful. I thought I was gonna die. I can't get hold of it.
I think we're too heavy for this kayak.
Are you in it?
Yeah. And we got a jello shot, a big one. Oh, I thought I found a cell phone, but there's nothing in it. Looks like somebody may have lost their tube right here. Cell phone. Oh, yeah. Oh, I found a princess, a headband thing. Ended up getting some trash in there, a bunch of stuff in here. Now we gotta take the walk back to the truck, about a mile away, get that and come back.
Let it go.
About 1 mile walk back,
There's 4 calories.
almost halfway done, and I gotta listen to all that.
Like that.
Check out all the stuff we found today. Thought we were gonna find a lot more phones. Ended up only finding one phone, an iPhone, totally demolished. It was inside this case, which the seal is broken. Found this phone case, which was empty. Sunglasses, vapes, a lot of beer cans all over, as you can see. And Christy's got something over
That
there.
phone is almost as demolished as those shorts when we went to clean up the Pine River. The
What?
biggest, most fabulous jello shots I've ever seen in my entire life. It's
Yeah.
almost better than the beer bong in Peshtigo. I want to meet who took these. Ed found a duck and we found a beef stick, so he's just having a little niblet, aren't ya? Found one of the tubing places. Tubes.
And what do you got on your head there?
Ed found this tiara.
Just for you, honey.
Thank you.
Actually, the is on it.
I don't know.
I didn't even know that was on there.
Oh my god! That is so dirty!
Dirty.
Oh, a hat that says it's above my pay grade. I like that.
Ended up getting some plastic over there, a lot of cans, a lot of clothing over here, some nice Reebok CrossFits there. Found this here with a lure stuck on it. Sweet. WIAA Division I State Football Champions, Oshkosh North Spartans.
Go Oshkosh.
To hell with the Devil Tour 87.
So dirty. It's dirtier than my diving suit right now.
It was a fantastic dive. It was about 2 hours floating down the river. We ended up having to walk back a mile to the truck, but it's okay because we were singing
Love and marriage, love and marriage. I'll do everybody a favor and stop right now.
Thanks for watching.